Good morning, children. Say good morning, ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Very nice. I hope you all are enjoying the summer camp. Very good. So, class, today I will teach you to DIY. Now, what is DIY? DIY means do it yourself. Do it yourself means जो चीज आप खुद से कर सकते हो. Okay, so in today's class we are going to make 2 DIY. Okay, so I will tell you when I was a child, जब मैम छोटे थे, मैम used to play games, indoor games. That time we don't have phones, so we used to play games at our houses. So what we used to do is हम बनाते थे bubbles, the bubble game. You all know about the bubble games, right? We used to buy them from the malls, from the shops. So that is bubble one. जो हम किससे बनाते हैं? Dish wash और shampoo. So today I am going to teach you how to make them. And second one is, when I was a child there are no phones. So what we used paper cups. हम क्या करते थे? We used paper cups to make phone. हम telephone बनाते थे with the help of a string and paper cups. So we are going to make these phones, and me and my sister and my brother used to talk through it. So in today's class I am going to teach you 2 DIY. First one is bubble making. Second one is DIY telephone. So let's start. But let me tell you about the materials. The material required is 2 paper cups, 1 rope or shoelace you can take, or a string. Next is shampoo, a bowl, water and a straw, and some watercolors. Okay everyone, let's start our activities. So we are going to make the bubbles and the telephone with the help of paper cup. Now what are the benefits of this activity? As you all are getting bored at your home, so we are trying to boost your energy level, okay, to engage you in some creative activities. So the first benefit of this activity is to make your mind active. आपका mind क्या रहे? Active रहे. To boost, second is to boost your creativity. Third, tell me, any guesses? Third one is कि आप घर में बोर नहीं हो. It is an indoor game, so that आपको बाहर नहीं जाना पड़े. Okay, let's start our activity. Very good. Get ready. Activity number 1. We are going to make our bubbles. So material required is 1 glass, or you can take anything you have. You can take a bowl, pour some water in the bowl, 1 shampoo. You can take any shampoo, and you can take any dishwash. All you have to do is, हमें क्या करेंगे, शैम्पू को पानी में dissolve करेंगे with the help of this straw, or you can use a spoon also. अच्छे से mix करेंगे हम इसको. हम बहुत expensive bubbles वाला toy खरीदते हैं ना to make bubbles. हम वो अपने घर पे बनाएंगे. You have to mix it well, okay, with the help of spoon. I'm using the straw, and now with the help of straw, now put the straw in your mouth and blow it. You can see the bubble. This is a bubble activity. How to make bubble with the help of straw, shampoo, dishwash and water. You can make your own bubble like this at your home with the help of soap, water and straw. So everyone, try this at home. Stay safe. And activity number 2, DIY telephone. So material required is 2 paper cups, 1 shoelace. I have a shoelace spare. You can use any rope or a string, watercolor and paintbrush. So first all we have to do is we have to paint these paper cups. हम क्या करेंगे, पेपर कप को पेंट करेंगे. I am using black color. You can take whatever color you like. Paint them so that it looks more attractive. Now place it aside. As seen, paint the another one. हम अपने दोनों पेपर कप्स को पेंट करेंगे and keep it aside till it dry. Be careful. Painting is fun. Basically, na? Do you like coloring? I like coloring so much. I loved it. Now keep it aside till it dry. Okay. Now our paper cups are dry. Now take a pencil and make a hole between the cups like this. Make a hole like this. Now हम क्या करेंगे, one end को पेपर कप के अंदर ऐसे डालेंगे. Now you have to tie a knot, one round, and then you have to put it inside and stretch. Make 2 knots like this, and the other side put it in the other cup. Then again tie 2 knots. How to tie a knot? One round, make a rabbit ear, and then around, and then put it inside the rabbit ear and then pull out. Rabbit ear, put it around and then pull. Now this is our DIY telephone. Now let's test this activity. This is my activity number 2, the telephone activity. You can use it with you can play with this with your siblings, with your friends. Make your own DIY telephone. You can talk and listen with the help of these cups. So everyone, make your own DIY, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay safe and enjoy your summer camp.